Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi, your host for today's episode of Here and Now. Welcome to our 158th episode, where we bring to you all the know-how of the ever-evolving insurance world. So, let's deep dive into the latest news and significant updates from the insurance industry. The first story of the day, highlighted in Outlook India, sheds light on AYUSH treatment coverage in health insurance plans as emphasized by our own Mr. Ashish Sethi, Head of Health SBU and Travel at Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Mr. Sethi underlined the varying demand for AYUSH treatment among individuals and regions, especially in countries like India, where traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy, commonly abbreviated as AYUSH, hold significance. He noted that while many people prefer the holistic and natural approaches of AYUSH therapies and seek coverage for these therapies in their health insurance plans, however, demand may be lower in areas where conventional medical treatments dominate. Nevertheless, policyholders with AYUSH treatment coverage can benefit from treatments provided by registered AYUSH practitioners for various health conditions, expanding their access to diverse medical treatment options. Moving on, the next story from the Indian Express and the Hindu Business Line talks about the IRDAI's objective Insurance for All by 2047. The big news from the insurance industry states that IRDAI has proposed to make insurance coverage including life, health, and motor mandatory on the part of insurance companies in Gram Panchayats across the country to achieve the objective of Insurance for All by 2047. As proposed by IRDAI, the minimum number of lives to be covered by all life insurers in all Gram Panchayats in the country should be 30% in each Gram Panchayat, subject to a minimum of 25,000 Gram Panchayats as driven by the lead insurer in the first year. This increases to 40% of lives, subject to a minimum of 50,000 Gram Panchayats, and 50% lives, subject to a minimum of 75,000 Gram Panchayats in years 2 and 3 respectively. The same formula will be applicable in the case of dwellings under fire insurance, motor insurance, and lives under health and personal accident insurance. Onward to the next story, also from the Hindu Business Line, discusses the open architecture concept for insurance agents. In light of the key proposals by a parliamentary panel aiming to ensure insurance for all by 2047, the Standing Committee on Finance has recommended the introduction of an open architecture concept for insurance agents. This concept would facilitate a larger outreach of insurance products and a stronger distribution infrastructure in the country, paving the way for insurance agents to associate with multiple insurance companies. Currently, an insurance agent can associate with one life, one non-life, and one health insurance company for the distribution of insurance products. An open architecture for agents would result in higher insurance penetration while accelerating financial inclusion and lower distribution costs, the parliamentary panel said. Also, customer would have access to more options at a competitive price. Wrapping up, the last story from the NDTV Profit talks about India's non-life insurers' revenue growth in the month of January 2024. The non-life insurers bounced back, marking a robust recovery from a relatively subdued October-December quarter. According to data from the General Insurance Council, the gross premium underwritten by non-life insurers witnessed a commendable 7% year-on-year increase, reaching Rs 27,221 crore. General insurers covering diverse areas such as home, travel, motor, health, fire, and more experienced an impressive 12% growth, amounting to Rs 22,952 crore in January. Notably, private sector insurers led the way with an outstanding 15% revenue surge compared to January last year, contributing significantly to this positive trajectory. And with that, we wrap up today's episode. We hope you found these news stories informative and insightful. Our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until next time, take care, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.